So you found your perfect apartment, the lawyer has done legal due diligence for you, and you're now ready to go to the notary and pay the final sum. One of the most important things that you really must do beforehand is have your agent do a pre-completion inspection for you. So you will have an inventory list if the apartment is being sold furnished, and even if it's not furnished, you still want someone to go there and look and make sure that the apartment is in condition that you expect it to be. So today, my colleague Lara is in an apartment in Neuve-Andalusia that we've recently had German colleagues buy. She's going to have a look around and make sure that everything is in order.
So the purpose of this visit is a pre-completion inspection. It's to confirm the overall condition of the property. We will check the inventory against the inventory list, and this is typically done in the morning of the notary or in the evening before. It's important to mention that this is not a technical inspection of the property. If this is something that is required, it's a service that can be organized well in advance of the notary. Where possible, we will have a live video call with our clients so they can walk around the property with us and sign off themselves, authorizing their lawyers to sign the notary.
Thank you for watching this video with Lion Trust. Should you have any questions at all, please contact us by one of the channels to the right.